everybody, welcome back to another video. Today is the first of the two put together, assemble videos that I'm going to do for my Fee Fi Faux Leather order. This is the bluey one that I'm going to do today. I'm so excited for this one because I have a little niece who is absolutely going to love this bow. So Miss Gwenny, if you are watching, Auntie Carrie is going to make sure that you get this bow. Just a quick rundown. You have a couple of pieces here. You have the top loop, the bottom 4-part loop. You have the spikes, a center wrap, a clip, and a shaker center. I'll bring that up so you guys can see. The clip did not come with it. I had to supplement that, but like I said, it is a 3-inch clip. So we're going to separate the pieces and get ready to put everything together. You're also going to need a glue gun to put this together. I'm currently waiting for mine to want to heat up. Just being a little stubborn today. So while we are waiting, please comment down below and let me know which of the other kits you would like to see put together, whether it's Minnie, Kuromi, or Harry Potter. Maybe I might do all 4 of them. I'm not 100% certain yet. Alright, there we go. She's ready to go. So you guys know I like to attach my clip to the spikes initially. So I'm going to put glue down and press the clip onto the spike, and I apologize if my nails look really rough. I have not had time to do them, so I'm gonna get around to it soon. Life has been really busy and hectic, and nails have kind of taken a back seat to that. Alright, and you guys also know that I like to glue the center to the inside of the clip before we go much further. It's easier to do it at this stage because you can actually really push down hard and make sure that it sticks, and you don't have other layers in your way, and you're not worried about squashing the other layers either. Alright. You're going to glue the 4-parter first. And we've done this before, guys. It's just tabs to the center. It's all you're really doing is tabs to the center. So one by one, take all of your tabs, a little dollop of glue, just a little bit, you don't need a whole lot, and bring it to the center. Alright, that is that piece done up. And we're going to take care of the top loop now. And like everything else, it's just tabs to the center. These bows are some of the easiest ones to put together because you are just adding glue, taking tabs to the center, and then attaching each piece to each other. I like the fact that everything is pre-cut, because especially with the thicker glitter canvas, it does tend to be a problem trying to cut it out by hand. We're going to add a dollop of glue, attach these two bow pieces together and take a minute just to pinch so that everything attaches. And now we are going to come and attach to the spikes. So a line of glue along the center. Push down and make sure everything lines up. This is also the time to make sure that your pieces are lining up. And then take the center wrap, bring it around the front and to the back. You could probably use a smaller clip on here, maybe like a 2.5 instead of a 3, because there is some overhang with the clip. It is totally up to you. You're going to glue that center wrap inside and press down for a few moments. You are going to need scissors, I forgot to mention that, but every bow you need scissors for. And you are going to clip the excess off. Now you can leave the bow like this, and it's a perfectly cute bow, but it did come with a center, and I do love adding centers to bows. So we are going to put Bluey in the center. A little dollop of glue there. Again, you don't want to add too much. And smush Bluey down in the center, making sure that everything is even. And push down. Now you can also back this with a little bit of felt if you choose to. I think I'm going to see how it works out before I take a trip to go see my niece. And if for some reason it doesn't hold, I will add some felt to the back of this. Okay, after you've held it for a little bit, there you go. Your Bluey bow is all done, and it is ready to pop in the hair of your little princess, or to sell if you want to. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will be doing another one of these kits the next video, so make sure to tune in for that. I will see you guys next time, and as always, everything will be linked down below for you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye!